Macklin has a new favorite song, and it's Pop Goes the Weasel. His helicopter toy plays it, and he's figured out that if he hits the right key combination, it'll play the song, and then he can get up and dance. Let's see if he can find it. Can you find Pop Goes the Weasel? Ooh, ooh. Let's see if I can help you out. Which one is Pop Goes the Weasel? I don't know which one is Pop Goes the Weasel. There it is, we found it. Can you get up and dance? Dancing. Can you say pop? Ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-bum, pop. There's Kitty. Aww. Pop. Yay. Oh, you passed it. You gonna dance to that song too? That's some good dancing. Where's Pop Goes the Weasel? Can you play Pop? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, time to get up. Okay.